National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 266, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Cleburne, Faulkner, Lone Oak, Prairie, Van Buren, and White. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wrightsville, or 10 miles southeast of southwest Little Rock, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, England, Wrightsville, Kiel, Ironton, Estes, Toltec Mount State Park, East End, Sweet Home, Scott, Baseline, Coy, Higgins, Tomberlin, Woodson, Parker's Iron Springs, Blademore, Hensley, Bredlow Corner, Toltec. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, west central Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near England, or 17 miles north of Pine Bluff, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alfheimer, Humphrey, Marbanica, Sherrill, Tucker, Getsy, Maine, Bayou Medio State Game Area, Lodge Corner, Ferda.
So, don't just assume something someone said is.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Prairie County in central Arkansas, Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas, until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ulm, or 8 miles south of Devall's Bluff, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarendon, Holly Grove, St. Charles, Ulm, Rowe, Palmer, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Blaston, Aberdeen, Slovak, Monroe, Casco, Crockett Bluff, Ragtown, Indian Bay, Pine City, Lawrenceville, Duncan, Crossroads in Monroe County, Louisiana Purchase State Park.
Was located located near Little Bayou Meadow Park, or 19 miles north of Dumas, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dumas, Gould, Gillette, Mitchellville, Watson, Yinkupin, Langford, Douglas, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Marisac Lake, Truss-and-Holder Wildlife Management Area, Arkansas, Post, Pendleton, Tickner, Reedville, Morgan Point Recreation Area, Ray Dell, Sarasa, Pickens and Duchesne County, Bayou Meadow State Game Area. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Perry County and central Arkansas, southeastern Conway County and central Arkansas, central Faulkner County in central Arkansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morrilton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Morrilton, Perryville, Valonia, Mayflower, Wooster, Apello, Enola, Menifee, Perry, Houston, Sequoia Park, Pickles Gap, Spring Hill, Toad Suck, Plumerville, Holland, Bigelow, Hamlet, Saltillo.
The Bible, of course.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Prairie County and central Arkansas, southeastern Roanoke County and central Arkansas.
We can't be together.
In southeastern Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stuttgart, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding. Locations include Stuttgart, Roanoke, Alamira, St. Charles, Bremen, Parker's Corner, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, DeWitt, Ethel, Alamira Airport, Color, Pasco, Crockett, Seaton, Slovak, Petters.
6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of tornado was located over Watson, or 9 miles north. Dangerous to those caught without shelter. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. So, Morgan Point Recreation Area.
That's standinthegap.radio.com. Thank you for listening today.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until 8 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmira, or 10 miles southeast of Stuttgart, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elmira, St. Charles, DeWitt, Ethel, Duluth, Elmira Airport, Weber, Crockett Bluff.